Hello and welcome back to Register Guru. In today's video, we will be discussing everything about partnership registration. This video will cover what is partnership registration, why you should register as a partnership firm, what is the eligibility of registering as a partnership firm, steps involved, the documents required, timeline and the cost and fees involved. So let's begin with what is partnership registration. Partnership registration is a formal process where partners register their firm with the registrar of firms. Registration provides legal recognition and protection to the firm, allowing it to operate under a proper legal framework. Now comes why you should register as a partnership firm. Registering as a partnership firm gives you many benefits such as legal recognition and protection, enhanced credibility and business operations. Coming on to the eligibility for registering a partnership firm. To register a partnership firm, you need at least 2 partners, all of whom should be of legal age and of sound mind. They must also be legally competent to enter into any contract and not disqualified under any law. Now, let me take you through the process of registering a partnership firm. First, choose a unique firm name. Second, draft a partnership deed. Third, obtain PAN and Aadhaar cards. Fourth, register the partnership firm. Fifth, apply for PAN and TAN of the firm. Sixth, register for GST. And lastly, open a bank account in the firm's name. Moving on to the documents required. First, you need to have the original partnership deed. Second, PAN and Aadhaar card of all the partners. Third, address proof of all the partners. Fourth, proof of the firm's principal place of business. Fifth, specimen signatures of all partners. And lastly, a completed Form 1. Now, moving on to the timeline for registration. The entire registration process takes about 10 to 14 days depending on the state-specific procedures and the completeness of your application. The cost or fees involved includes the stamp duty and affidavit and court fee stamps. For Delhi, the stamp duty on partnership deed is 1% of the capital contribution with a minimum of ₹200 and a maximum of ₹5,000. These amounts vary state-wise. For Delhi, approximate fee is ₹1,000 for deed registration. The notary charges for Delhi range from ₹500 to ₹1,000. So get your partnership registered with Register Guru and avail all the benefits. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.